So for this drawing, we're going to draw two turkeys. So we need to turn the paper from this direction, from portrait mode to landscape, right? So do that, and then we're ready to go. Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to start on the right side because I think that's easier for me to do it that way, all right? So I'm going to draw, this turkey's going to be looking down. So I'm going to draw that shape, and that's its beak. It's a sideways look, okay? Then I'm going to draw an oval there, and I'm going to draw his pupil right here because he's looking down. Then I'm going to draw his head, and then I'm going to come down and draw his neck. Okay? Then I'm going to connect, I'll draw that, so there's the bottom of his beak, and then I'm going to come down like that. Okay? Now this turkey is in trouble because he's in the oven. So I'm going to draw sort of a semicircle like that, and I'm going to draw down like this. So sort of a football shape actually almost. Then I'm going to do this. Those are like his wings. But he's in the oven, so I'm going to put a bow here like it's been tied up. And then I'm going to come all the way across and draw a straight line. It doesn't have to be super perfect. Okay? And then, yeah, for right now that's good. Okay? So that's turkey number one. Let's move on to turkey number two. This turkey is going to be looking at this guy. So I'm going to draw the beak like this. And then same thing with the eye, the oval eye, but this time I'm going to be looking right at that one. Now I'm going to draw this turkey's head, and it's going to come all the way down, straight down like that. Then remember to pause the video when you need to. Draw a line like that, and then do that vase shape we did in the other drawings. Okay? And then it's the same thing, kind of the football shape. With the wings. And then the bow would be back here, the thing like tying the turkey together. Because sometimes like you tie the turkey together when you cook it. So you could even draw some like strings like that in case people are confused about why it's got a bow. Like, is it a Christmas present? Okay, so they're tied up, and let's say they're in like a big pan. So there's the lip of the pan. I'm gonna come down here, and I'm gonna do this. And I'm being pretty sloppy, huh? Then I'm gonna do this. And you know what else might be in here? You got some like potatoes and carrots, you know, just whatever you put in the thing that you cook the turkey in. I don't know. I'm not really a cook. I just, I order stuff. So I'm just making some shapes. These are vegetables or, whatever. Okay. Let's draw a line here and a line here. Okay, those are like the sides of the oven, and this is glass. All right, let's do this. Let's draw, it's hot in there, so let's do this. You're going to go to this corner and you're going to draw a diagonal line to the end, and the same thing over here, a diagonal line there. And then you're going to do this. This line comes straight down, and then each line gets a little bit more like parallel with the ones going out like that. All right, we can even extend those. So I'm going to draw a line right here that comes down, and I'm going to draw a line right here that comes down, and then a line here, and then this line I'm extending, this line I'm extending, and that line I'm extending, right? So you can see that these are the walls of the oven. I'm going to put some things here. I think sometimes there are things here in ovens. Kind of making this up as I go. I don't know if you noticed. Okay? So now, let's say this. Let's write up here, is it getting hot in here? And then we'll draw a dialogue bubble like that. Okay? And then let's come up, and I'm going to draw some tear shapes, but really it's just sweating. Do turkeys sweat? That's a good trivia question. Bonus points if you find out the answer. Tell me after Thanksgiving break. Okay? Sweating turkeys, and there you go. And then down here on the pan, you could write Happy Thanksgiving. Okay? So there you go. Turkey's cooking. That's sad. This is kind of a sad drawing. You could, I'm going to do this. I'm going to give this one like a little thing. Okay, so color that, outline it, color it, and you got your drawing. Happy Thanksgiving.